Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Preeti Gupta Academy. So guys, today's my topic is insurance. And in this video, I am going to cover three main topics related to insurance. Guys, it is very important to know about our security and how can we secure our wealth, health and life. Firstly, we should discuss about what is insurance. Insurance is a legal agreement between two parties. The insurance company means insurer and the individual means insured. In this, the insurance company promises to make good the losses of the insured on happening of the insured contingency. The contingency is the event which causes a loss. It can be the death of the policyholder, a damage, destruction of the property. It is called a contingency because there is an uncertainty regarding happening of the event. The insured pays a premium in return for the promise made by the insurer. Next, we will discuss about how does insurance work. The insurer and the insured get a legal contract for the insurance, which is called the insurance policy. The insurance policy has detail about the condition and circumstances under which the insurance company will pay out the insurance amount to either the insured person or the nominees. Insurance is a way of protecting yourself and your family from a financial loss. Generally, the premium for a big insurance cover is much lesser in terms of money paid. The insurance company takes the risk of providing a high cover for a small premium because very few insured people actually end up claiming the insurance. This is why you get insurance for a big amount at a low price. Any individual or company can seek insurance from an insurance company, but the decision to provide insurance is at the discretion of the insurance company. The insurance company will evaluate the claim application to make a decision. Generally, insurance company refuse to provide insurance to high-risk applicant. There are so many types of insurance, but in this video, I will cover health insurance, education insurance, life insurance and car insurance. So first is life insurance. What is life insurance? Life insurance is an insurance on your life. You buy life insurance to make sure your dependents are financially secured in the event of your untimely demise. Life insurance is particularly important if you are the sole breadwinner for your family or if your family is heavily reliant on your income. Under life insurance, the policyholder's family is financially compensated in case the policyholder expires during the term of policy. Next is health insurance. What is health insurance? Health insurance is bought to cover medical costs for expensive treatments. Different type of health insurance policies cover an array of diseases and ailments. You can buy a generic health insurance policy as well as policies for specific diseases. The premium paid toward a health insurance policy usually cover treatment, hospitalization and medication cost. Third is education policy or insurance. What is education policy? In education policy, the child education insurance is akin to a life insurance policy which has been specially designed as a saving tool. An education insurance can be a great way to provide a lump sum amount of money when your child reaches the age for higher education and gain entry into college. This fund can then be used to pay for your child higher education expenses. Under this insurance, the child is the life assured or the recipient of the funds, while the parents, legal guardian is the owner of the policy. You can estimate the amount of money that will go into funding your children's higher education using education planning calculator. Now last but not the least, car insurance. In today's world, a car insurance is an important policy for every car owner. This insurance protects you against any untoward incident like accident. Some policies also compensate for damages to your car during natural calamities like floods or earthquakes. It also covers third-party liability where you have to pay damages.